Hi, second grade. This is your directions for week 4, day 4. For reading, we are not going to do the silly stories of mindfulness and emotions. We are going to cross that out. However, we will, for writing, do the exploration of talents and hidden gems. So, it says there are many activities and talents that you have not discovered for yourself. Hidden gems and gifts may be waiting to be uncovered within you. Brainstorm all the things that you love or have been interested in trying. How about surfing, swimming, painting, musical instruments, or yoga? Choose 3 things that you are interested in, but maybe have never tried. So Mrs. Ackerman chose painting as one of hers. Actually, I know I've tried yoga before, but I don't do it very often, so I put that on there. And then I left the last one blank, but you guys can go ahead and fill in the third one. And then I want you to draw a picture of you guys trying these talents. And then list 3 people who could help you explore these interests and goals. So maybe you could tell someone who already practices painting. Like I put Mrs. Hendrickson. She's the art teacher here in Spearville. And then maybe yoga. I have a friend who teaches yoga, so I could maybe ask her. But it says maybe ask a teacher at school too. So like I could do that painting one, could be a teacher at school. And then already practices that talent is my one friend. And then a family member, maybe there is something that a family member already does that could help. Okay, so that is for writing. And then for grammar, you're going to do reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns are pronouns that refer back to the subject of the sentence. They are words that end in self or selves. For example, I washed the dishes by myself. So you are going to match these words to these words. You, what would you go? Would you go to myself, ourselves, yourself, himself, themselves, herself, or itself? So you choose which one it goes to. And then he. Would he match myself, ourself, yourself, himself, themselves, herself, or itself? So you're just matching these words to these words. And for math, you are going to color each scoop of ice cream that is the larger number out of the 2. So, looking at these 2 numbers, which one is the largest number? Boys and girls, I will do this one with you because I know this one is super easy. So obviously, 6 is the larger number, so I'm going to color in 6, okay? You're going to do that with the rest of the ice cream cones, all right? However, you are not done yet. The end over here, if you look at this question, it says, okay, which ice cream cone has the largest number when you add the 2 scoops together? You are supposed to circle it. So not only do you color the larger scoop, boys and girls, you also are going to have to add the 2 scoops together. So on that first one, I'm going to do 6 plus 2. And the answer to 6 plus 2 is 8. So I'm going to write 8 right here. And then I'm going to add all these other numbers too. And then whichever one of these ice cream cones is the largest number out of all of them, then I'm going to circle that ice cream cone. If I were to say 19 plus 29 is the largest, then I would circle that one at the end, okay? Now that's not giving me the answer. Do not circle that one. I do not know if that's the right answer. I'm just trying to tell you how to do this page. Good luck working, and I will see you tomorrow or talk to you tomorrow.